Welcome to Java programming course. Till now we are discussing about the what? These are the topics we already discussed in the previous lecture. Those are what? Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming System, and the next one is difference between POP versus OOP. The next one is principles of Object-Oriented Programming System, and the next history of Java, Java features. In the last lecture we discussed about the very important concept, that is JVM architecture. Now in this session I am going to explain about the structure of Java programming. Okay, so let's go to the structure of Java programming topic. So this is the simple structure of declaring Java program. So before going to write a Java program, so we should know about the class and object. Already we discussed about what is the meaning of class and what is the meaning of an object. What is the meaning of an object? An object means a real world existing thing. Examples are car, bird, aeroplane, student, myself, everything comes under object, right? So what is the meaning of class? A class is a blueprint. It also we call as an imaginary thing, not an existing thing, it's an imaginary thing. So with the help of class, we can declare, we can initiate, we can create a number of objects. So that is the reason in Java programming, before going to write a program, we should know about the class. So we are writing the program in the class format. So that is the reason, first here going for the structure of Java programming. Here the first statement here is like in C we are using header files, right? Hash include stdio.h, standard input output header files, conio.h, console input output.h, right? Same as here also we are using, there we are using header files to include, here we are using packages, those are we are importing. That statement comes under this line. So we are importing the required packages into our program. Okay, the next one is here, what is the purpose of class? In Java programming, we are writing the program by using the classes. Okay, so for declaring a class, we are using the keyword is class. So class is a keyword used to declare a class. Here, this is the name of the class. This is the what? Name of the class. So name of the class. For here, by using class keyword, we are declaring a what? Class. And a class and a class name. Here it represents what? Name of the class. Okay. The next one is like C, we are declaring a main method, right? What is the uses of main method? It gives about the starting point of the program. Okay. Same as C programming language, here also we are using the main method. But here we have to declare some more important keywords. Okay, this is the general syntax we have to follow for Java programming. The syntax is what? Public, static, void, main, string, aux, array. Here, main is the starting point for any program in our Java. So this is the general syntax we have to follow. Okay, first, what is the first purpose of main method? It is the what? Starting point of any program. Any program starts execution from main method like C, C++. Here, the next keyword here is void. So in C we are writing what? Main. In C programming generally we are writing what? Main, maybe void, or otherwise we can use int main method, right? Okay, there we can write either no return type, you can also write any return type. But here, whereas in Java the main method always doesn't expect any return value. JVM is responsible for main method. So our main method doesn't expect any return value. So that is the reason if method doesn't expect any return value, we have to declare it as void. Here void means no return value. So that is the purpose here we are declared as void. What is the next keyword? Static. This is very, very important. What is the meaning of a static? If a method is declared as static, we call as static method. So what is the purpose of static method here? Why we declared static for main method? The reason is our main method doesn't require any objects. Our main method doesn't expect any objects, doesn't require any objects. So that is the reason we declared as static. If any method is declared as static, no need to create an object. But why main method doesn't require any objects? The reason is JVM is responsible for calling the main method. Okay, so that is the reason we declared it as static. So the next keyword is public. So what is the meaning of public? Public means this method can be visible to all, like our Facebook, right? While we are creating our Facebook, we are giving private, public, right? What is the meaning of public? Public means any person can view our account. So same as here also, if we are declaring it as a public, this method can be visible to all. That is the meaning of public. So this is about the what? Main statement. Okay, again I want to explain again. Here main method is what? Starting point of any program execution. Why we are using void? Our main method doesn't expect any return value. Only JVM is responsible for our main method. What is the next one? Static. Static means what? Our main method no need to create any objects. If any method doesn't require any objects, we declare it as static. Okay, the next one, public. Public means what? Our main method is visible to all. So that is the reason we declared as public. This is about the what? Main statement. One more here, we are passing one argument. What is the argument here? This is one array type of argument. Here, this is an array. What is the name of array here? ARGS, args. So what is the type here? String. So means this is we called as command line argument. Whatever the data we are giving through keyboard, those data can taken it as in the format of strings. Those are stored in the args array. So that is the meaning of string args. So clear, right? The next one is this set of statements. Whatever the statements we are going to write, those are writing inside the our method. Same as remaining. In the coming lecture, you will get complete understanding about the remaining all the statements. So next we go for one more example here. So this is the here in this slide I am going to what? I am going to, for any program we are generally writing what? Displaying a hello world, right? Here also same I am writing hello world. I want to display hello world. Okay, first, what are the first step for declaring our Java program? First we have to take class is a keyword. So take here class is a keyword. So class is a keyword, right, to declare a class. What is the name of this class? In previous syntax, hello world is the name of the class. This is name of the class. So here public means what? It is visible to all. What is the next statement here? This is very, very important. What is the statement here? Main statement. So public static void main string args. Here main means what? Any program start execution from main. So void means it doesn't expect any return value. What is the next one? Static. Our main method doesn't require any objects. That is the reason we declared as static. What is the meaning of here public? This is visible to all. That is the reason we declared it as public. Here I want to display hello world. So how to display the particular statement? In C language we are using what? Printf statement. In C language we are using printf hello world, right? In C language. Whereas in Java, if you want to print any statements, we have to use system.out.println. This statement is common for what? Displaying any content. We can use print, otherwise we can use println. Okay? We can use println. Print means the particular line only the cursor may blink. ln means it jumps to the new line. So that is the main difference. Here, let's see one by one. What is the meaning of here? First one, system. System is a class. What is the meaning of this one? Out. Out is an object of print stream class. What is the next one here? Print or println. This means print or println is a method of print stream class. Means all are comes under print stream class. So by using this, we can print our data in our terminal window. So this is a simple structure of Java programming. Next we go for one by one keywords what we are discussing now. So what is the first one? Class. What is the meaning of class? It's a keyword used to declare what? A class in Java. Okay. What is the next one here? What is the next one? Public. Public is a what? An access modifier. It is used to what? It means it is visible to all. Okay. What is the next one? Static. Static means if any method declared as static, we known as what? A static method. Why we are declaring static method? No need to create what? An object. Okay, that is the reason we are using what? Static keyword. What is the next keyword? Void. Void means what? Doesn't expect any return value. Means void is a return type of the method. It means it doesn't return any value. So that is the meaning of void. What is the next keyword? Main. It represents the what? The starting point of the program. Okay, the next one. String args. Here args is an array. What type of an array? String data type. So why we are using only strings or not any other data type? Whatever the data we are giving through the keyboard, okay, the main method takes it as in the format of strings, set of characters. We call it as a string, right? So that is the reason we declared as string. Also we call as command line arguments. Okay, the next one is system.out.println. Just now we have seen, right? What is the meaning of system? System is a class. Out is the word? Object of print stream class. What is the next one? Println is the word? Println is the object of, method of print stream class. This is very, very important in the interview point of view time. So this is about the what? All the keywords which are used in our Java programming structure. The next one is, this is a simple example of how to print a welcome to Java programming statement. A simple example, right? What is the meaning here? Here we are using class is a keyword to declare a class. Here what is the class name here? This is the class name of the class, or otherwise class name. What is the class name here? Sample. What is the next one? This is main statement, public static void main string aux. Okay, here I want to print welcome to Java programming, a simple program. So system.out.println welcome to Java programming. So how to save this file? After completing of this entire code, we have to save. So for saving purpose, we have to use file name.java. What is the file name? Sample. So save it as sample.java. So in this way we have to save our program. So this is a simple program, right? So here, how to save here? Sample.java. Save is the class name with .java extension. So this is a simple Java programming structure. Okay, thank you.